G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Parravans at Windsor. Look at this, it's an Atlantic E19 Series. If you want a bargain, this has got to be one, because again, they tell me this is used. You can't see that it's used, or I can't anyway. Come and have a look, because they've extended the drawbar. So the drawbar is extended to allow for the toolbox. Now the toolbox is a beauty. Nice and deep, great size, plus you've got two, one on this side, one on that side, two jerry can holders. That's wonderful. Now, you've got the stone guard all along here and all along here. So let me show you the tunnel boot, because it is immense. It goes right through to the other side. So you've got another door like this over there, so you can get to it from either side. Now, when you come along, this is all stone protection. Come around here, you've got your picnic table already built in. Here's something really good. This is for your outdoor TV, so that holds that up. Here's your 12 volt power, 240 volt power, and then that's your antenna as well. Plus you've got speakers on the outside, and you've got this fabulous awning with LED lights. You know, when you're on the road, one of the things you want is a great bed. Have a look at that. Queen bed in a spring mattress, and underneath that is storage galore. So you just lift this handle up and you've got immense storage. Now, storage, you've got wardrobes over here, cabinets up here, wardrobes over there, more down the side. It's really good. Come on through the side now. Now this is an L-shaped lounge, mega comfortable. But this is for your long lunch. If you've got a big lunch or a big game, by golly, this is terrific. But you can slide it in, slide it out. If you're preparing a meal, you can spin it around and use it for more prep area. By golly, it's good. Now look at the kitchen. Oh, by golly. Lots of preparation area, butte cabinetry. Of course, you've got this, which is 3 gas, 1 electric, all done. And again, they tell me it's used, but it's a struggle to see that it's used. Great cabinetry up here. Of course, you've got the microwave, you've got the exhaust fan. It's like a luxury apartment, this. And as you come through, fabulous fridge, air conditioning all the way through, so it goes that way, it comes this way. Lots of cabinetry through here. And then when you want more luxury again, then you come to the bathroom. So you've got a butte toilet, you've got the window, you've got the skylight, the exhaust fan, cabinetry up here for your towels and things. Coming down, you've got more storage again, and then in here, washing machine, all done. Have you? I love it. It's so good. And then the shower, a real shower. Look at that. So all you've got to do to make this caravan yours is to give Parravans a call, give Parravans an email. They'll make you happy.